Hey guys, it's Noelle here, and so lately I've been wanting some LPS. So it's that time of year again, trading time. So I'm gonna show you the LPS that I want off my wish list lately. And I'll show you the LPS that I'll trade. And you have to send first. You must live in the United States. Unless you have a really good offer. Now I'll trade accessories too. So, yeah. I will show you the pets I will trade. So, this Yorkie with the hair, this German Shepherd, this Dachshund, short hair, this frog, this Great Dane, this cat, and maybe this Dachshund. Just maybe though, it has to be a really good offer. So, yeah.